We need to talk about a low heart rate in athletes because it's not always a sign of gaining fitness. So many athletes will think, my resting heart rate is decreasing, my heart rate is decreasing in my sessions, I must be getting fitter. And whilst yes, that can be the case because your heart muscle gets stronger, so it needs to beat less regularly to be able to put out the same volume of blood. However, what a lot of athletes don't realize is that a low heart rate is also a big sign of underfueling. And this is for two main reasons. When you're not eating enough to fuel the demands of your training and also just keeping your body alive, your body will conserve energy, and it does that by slowing down systems. Think about your phone when it's on low power mode. It slows everything down, and it does exactly the same to your heart rate. It will beat slower because it wants to conserve energy. Every single heartbeat is an active contraction and requires energy. So the less it has to do per minute, the less energy it requires. And a little more seriously, when you get to the point that you're not eating enough and your body has no extra energy left, it will start to eat away at your muscles. And yes, your heart is a muscle, so it will start to eat away at your heart. I know that sounds kind of scary, but heart muscle atrophy is something commonly seen in patients with malnutrition. And yes, undereating chronically as an athlete is malnutrition. The next time you're pushing really hard and your heart rate just isn't increasing, or maybe you're lying in bed and your heart rate's dropping into the 30s, you might want to consider, am I eating enough? Not just praising yourself for, wow, I trained hard today.